Welcome to Social Ability. This course is to help you better understand how to use social media after a brain injury and how to stay safe in social media. We recommend accessing the course on a computer for the best experience in navigating through the activities. The course includes videos with audio, so grab some headphones if you're in a shared space and make sure your sound is on. This course is divided into modules. You can complete the modules in any order. You can use the headings on the left to find a module that you'd like to try. And the first page of each module tells you what to expect, and you'll see a list of activities to work through. Once you've finished a topic, you can click the Mark Complete button at the bottom of the page. This will place a tick against the topic in the menu and move you to the next page. You can use the red buttons on the right to choose a good text colour and size for you. For all of the videos, you can turn on the captions if you need them, using the CC button at the bottom of the video. And you can also see what is said in the video here in the Materials tab. On surveys, submit your answers to the questions, and once you've submitted them, you can email a copy of those questions and your responses to yourself. You can see how much of the course you've completed using the progress bar at the top of the screen. In the tips on how to work through the course topic, you can download or print out a worksheet to write down key points to remember as you work through the course. You can find some more tips on how to access and work through the course in the Welcome to Social Ability module here. So feel free to take a break when you need it. The website will keep track of what you've completed, so you can log in on another day to keep learning.